Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. So in today's video I'm going to show you how you can fix your ring stick up cam that is not connecting to Wi-Fi using the most effective troubleshooting methods. So first of all, you need to make sure that your camera is in the setup mode. So in order to basically put it into the setup mode, you need to simply press the setup button until the LED begins flashing. Now once it begin flashing, you just have to simply launch your ring application, and then you need to start the device setup process. Now when prompted, you need to connect your phone to the temporary ring setup Wi-Fi network instead of your home's Wi-Fi. After your phone joins the ring network, you return to the ring application so that it can transfer your home Wi-Fi details to the camera. Now if the camera finds your Wi-Fi network but won't finish connecting, you need to temporarily disable any kind of VPNs that you must be using, or any private DNS, or any Wi-Fi assistant or smart network switching on your phone. So these features can interrupt the setup process by switching your phone away from the ring setup network. So finally, if the setup fails, you can remove the batteries, and then you can just keep them disconnected for about 30 to 60 seconds, and then you can restart the camera and run the setup again from the ring application. So if this video helped you out, make sure that you like this video and subscribe to the channel. Thanks for watching.